Hello everybody. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm making some dog food right at the moment because Snowflake can't eat regular dog food. At the moment, her teeth are bothering her again. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna whip up some nice easy dog food, something that she enjoys eating. Just to see if this will help let her teeth heal. Now, I don't really want to get into too much details about this. I know I'm going to get a lot of flack over this. I don't really care. I have to do what's right for my dog, and this is one of them. So what I'm doing is I just put a pound of ground beef in there in the crock pot. I have a sweet potato here that I'm just going to cut up. And it's going to go in. Now, I don't feed my dogs raw food. I only have one dog, but I never fed my dogs raw food. It's just something that I personally don't agree with. It's all personal preference. Everybody has one. Nobody, you know, everybody thinks they're right. Whatever. Okay. So I got some ground beef in there. I got some sweet potato in there. I'm going to put... Oh, I don't have it upstairs. One moment. Okay, I thought I had green beans up in the freezer here. I didn't. So I'm going to put in some green beans. This is drippings off of a roast I made last night. That was what she had for breakfast this morning. She had leftovers from last night. We had pork roast, rice, and green beans and carrots. So that was what she had for dinner last night, and that's what she had for breakfast this morning. She was more than happy. I even microwaved it for her, so it was, you know, kind of warm. Got some carrots in there. Gonna add that, and that's it. Well, no, I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to help this go, and that's it. I'm gonna let this cook while I go and do some other things. I should have put this on earlier this morning, so I'm actually gonna put it on high, because it's about 1 o'clock now, and she likes to eat about 5:30. You know, she gets upset if she doesn't eat by that point. So I'll bring you guys back when this is done, and you can see what it looks like. And there we go. There is the dog food that I've made up for her. This will just be for tonight and tomorrow morning. I'll have to make something else for her as well. Or might get, I don't know, this might be 2 days. I'm not sure yet. I have to play it by ear. But there we go. That's what she's gonna have for dinner tonight and tomorrow morning, anyway. You ready? Have your dinner?